Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Biological Control of Pests. First 14 to 17 questions are to choose from multiple options. First question is, the use of pesticide has contributed to, its answer is option B. An imbalance in many ecologies around the world. पेस्टिसाइड के यूज की वजह से पूरी दुनिया की इकोलॉजीज में imbalance हुआ है. Let's see in the paragraph, the continuous and reckless use of synthetic chemicals for the control of pests which pose a threat to agricultural crops and human is proving to be counterproductive. Apart from engendering widespread ecological disorder. Next question is, the Food and Agriculture Organization has counted more than 300 agricultural pests which, its answer is option A. Are no longer responding to most pesticide in use. फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने 300 से ज़्यादा ऐसे पेस्ट्स काउंट किए हैं जो पेस्टिसाइड को रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. According to a recent study by the Food and Agriculture Organization, more than 300 species of agricultural pests have developed resistance to a wide range of potent chemicals. Resistance का मतलब pests ने chemicals का विरोध करना सीख लिया है. Next question is, cotton farmers in Central America began to use pesticide. Its answer is option D. To ensure more cotton was harvested from each crop. सेंट्रल अमेरिका के कॉटन फार्मर्स ने पेस्टिसाइड यूज करना इसीलिए शुरू किया ताकि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कॉटन हासिल कर सके. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ, व्हाट हैपेंड टू कॉटन फार्मर्स इन सेंट्रल अमेरिका. In the early 1940, basking in the glory of chemical-based intensive agriculture, the farmers avidly took to pesticide as a show measure to boost crop yield. Next question is, by the mid-1960s, cotton farmers in Central America found that pesticide, its answer is option D, were costing 50% of the total amount they spent on their crops. 1960 के दौरान सेंट्रल अमेरिका के कॉटन फार्मर्स को पता चला कि वो जितना पूरी फसल पे खर्च करते हैं उसका आधा सिर्फ पेस्टिसाइड पे खर्च होता है. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. By the mid-1960s, the situation took an alarming turn with the outbreak of 4 more new pests, necessitating pesticide spraying to such an extent that 50% of the financial outlay on cotton production was accounted for by pesticide. Next 18 to 21 questions are, yes, no and not given. First question is not given. Next to that is, a number of pests are now born with an innate immunity to some pesticide. काफ़ी सारे ऐसे नए पेस्ट्स बॉर्न हुए हैं जिनमें पेस्टिसाइड को बर्दाश्त करने की ताकत जन्म से ही है. लेट्स सी इन द पैराग्राफ. नॉट टू बी लेफ्ट बिहाइंड आर द डिजीज स्प्रेडिंग पेस्ट्स, about 100 of which have become immune to a variety of insecticides now in use. So both statements are similar, therefore its answer is yes. Next question is, biological control entails using synthetic chemicals to try and change the genetic makeup of the pest's offspring. Biological control, synthetic chemicals को इस तरह से बना रहे हैं कि आने वाले pests का genetic system change हो जाए. Let's see in the paragraph. In the face of escalating perils from indiscriminate applications of pesticide, a more effective and ecologically sound strategy of biological control, involving the selective use of natural enemies of the pest's population, is fast gaining popularity, though as yet, it is a new field with limited potential. जो pest population का natural enemy है, उसके use पे selective है, पर क्योंकि ये नया फील्ड है तो इसकी संभावना लिमिटेड है. So its answer is no. Next question is, biocontrol is free from danger under certain circumstances. कुछ परिस्थितियों में biocontrol danger free है. Let's see in the paragraph. The advantage of biological control in contrast to other methods is that it provides a relatively low cost, perpetual control system with a minimum of detrimental side effects. When handled by experts, biocontrol is safe, non-polluting and self-dispersing. तो अगर experts उसे handle करें तो ये safe है. So its answer is yes. Next 22 to 26 questions are to complete the sentences with correct ending. Here is a list of endings. We have to choose appropriate ending. First question is, discipline scale insects feed on. Its ending is D. Fruit trees. Discipline scale insects fruit trees पे feed करते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. CIBC is also perfecting the technique for breeding parasites that prey on discipline scale insects, notorious defoliants of fruit trees in the USA and India. Next question is, Neodomatia sangavani 8. Its answer is H. Grass scale insects. Neodomatia sangavani grass scale insects को खाते हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. Neodomatia sangavani was found useful in controlling the Rhodes grass scale insects. Next question is, leaf mining Hesperides blighted. Its answer is C. Coconut trees. Blighted का मतलब बीमारी फैलाना. Leaf mining Hesperides coconut trees पे blight करते हैं. It's C in the paragraph. Coconut groves were plagued by leaf mining Hesperides. Next question is, an Argentinian weevil may be successful in wiping out. Its answer is E. Water hyacinth. Argentinian weevil water hyacinth को खत्म करने में successful है. Let's see in the paragraph. CIBC is now trying out an Argentinian weevil for the eradication of water hyacinth. Next question is, Salvinia molester plague. Its answer is B. Rice field. Salvinia molester rice field को plague करता है. Let's see in the paragraph. A 12 kilometers long canal from the clutches of the weed Salvinia molester, popularly called African pile in Kerala. About 30,000 hectares of the rice fields in Kerala are infested by this weed. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.